Hello, everyone. Yeah, today we will see something about a new topic that is about SAP Global Certification badges. As you all know that the concept of the badge concept has been introduced by SAP. I remember in 2017 onwards. Prior to that, there was no concept of badges. When you complete your any of your SAP certifications. But we used to have some kind of PDF file that used to be, they used to send a kind of letter, hard copy, and we used to take it. And there was also, before 2017, we used to have a consultancy registry. Okay, so when you go there to the site called consultancy registry, you can find the list of people who are holding a number of SAP certifications, with a validity date and exam and your past results and etc. And then along with that, we used to have a SAP credential manager. That is another site that where you can download your soft copy of your SAP certification that you completed successfully. And then later, or you can also update your personal information. You can publish it, and you can also specify what information that you wanted to publicly post it. You go to the SAP credentials manager. That is another site we used to have. Then when SAP has introduced the concept of SAP Global Certification badges, then what happened? No longer the consultancy registry works, because that is replaced with the, you can see there is something called yourclimb.com, right? And you no longer have the access to the SAP credentials manager, and it no longer works. Now the question is, I have written a one question actually. There is something called, can I claim a badge for a certification that I passed in 2016? So the answer is no. So anyone who has done your certifications, in SuccessFactors, HR or SAP HCM or SD, Finance, any corresponding solutions in SAP you do, and you can no longer issue any certification badge from the UR client. It's not possible. The only drawback is all the, there was a statement from SAP that they are going to push all the data records. All the employees have done their certifications, right? They wanted to move all the records to the, what do you call this, your client, but it's not happened, because all the people have done the certification that where SAP used to maintain a consultancy registry, and then you also used to have what do you call credentials manager. So that no longer works now, and there is only possibility that the record of a proof that you can have is a hard copy of your certification. But if you see that, we will start issuing the badges to those who get certified from January 2017 only. For the selected solutions like SAP Ariba, Hybris, and SuccessFactors solutions. Initially, SAP has introduced almost 80 plus badges. In 2017, when the concept of the badge was introduced. Before 2017, there was no concept of a badge. There is nothing like that. As I told you just now, you have consultancy registry, credentials manager, and etc. But that data is no longer exist actually, but we don't know what happened. But now anyone, even if you are from a SuccessFactors, if you have done your SuccessFactors certification, even in 2015, 16, or 14, you can't issue it any badge, because it's not possible. It won't support. but you will be able to issue a certification badge if you have done your certifications from January 2017 onwards. So very clearly I have mentioned here on my website. But initially when they have done, as I told you just now, there are 80 plus certification badges were introduced. But now, if you go and look at that, the site name, you can see uacclaim.com organizations /SAP /badges. You need to be very clear, SAP /badges. So currently there are almost 552 badges are available. That means 552 examinations are available from SAP, and any of these corresponding exams that you are going to complete successfully and issue, and then a badge is being issued to you, and then you will be able to showcase, or you can post, or you can share on your social platforms, or you can update on your resume, and you can download, or you can create, do whatever you want. But depending upon the kind of certification that you are going to do, there is also a validity period. But okay, every exam's behavior is different from the other exams, so I'm not going to talk about it. So now here we have SAP certification, badges, and I have written a blog even on my website as well. I think it's almost long back in 2018. If you could see, it was actually posted in 2018, a detailed explanation. But now the reason why I'm come here to, to explain about this, I'm sure that a lot of people are not aware. So the first of all, if you are first time trying to do your certification, and now from SAP, what you have to do, first of all, try to create your account. So when you click on your create account, so mention your first name, last name, email, the corresponding country, and you want to receive any kind of news related, and accept terms and conditions. If once it is done, so you'll be getting a notification to your email for your confirmation. But now I'm not going to create it now because my account is already existing. So please go and click on here, the bookmark the site name, uacclaim.com, and then click on here, sign in. Now please enter your login credentials, your email, which is registered, and then password. So please go and click on sign in. So as soon as you just try to log into this particular uacclaim, and you will be able to see the list of badges that are being issued to you. So you can see SAP SC, SAP Education. So these are being issued by SAP Education. You can see that badge was issued to Abraham on 19th January 2020. So now you can see all the related, you can see if in case that if you want to share. But before I explain about this, let me come to profile. There is something called a profile option. Click on it. So you can also update what information that anybody who is going to visit your profile and uacclaim, you want to tell something about you can give your brief description, your social platform, you want to allow the people to share your profile, or do you want to get notified, and etc. And there are 3 badges are there on behalf of this man. So now there is a settings area. Come to the setting area. So you can see there is an email that is being registered with my account. But actually I want to tell you, sometimes there are some people, what they do, right? They register with a different email, and then they want to merge that email with your permanent email. That means the permanent email also can be notified about the badges every time that you write your certifications, and then there is an email notification. If you want to do that, so you can also import a badges an email address from another account that you created. So that means you want to first create another account and merge that one, enter that another account of email and password, and then automatically what happened, the email is going to be merged. Try it out. It's very interesting feature, and you can use it because I've tested it with another account. So it is really working well. So if you want to do that. Next one is applications. So here you can see the social network. So when you create your account, if you want to link your social platform accounts, like your LinkedIn is connected, and you can see my Twitter account is also connected, my Facebook is also connected. So if you want to remove it, you can go and do that. But I have connected with everything. Since I've done it, that is why when I click on here, my profile, you are able to see the other information as well. So go and click on your organization. So that is, these examinations are being issued by the SAP Education. So do you want to get notified? And you can select your buttons here. The privacy, like, like allow my profile publicly. And you want, there are a lot of options, you can read it. And there is also the secured feature you have to protect your, account, from you have something called two-factor authentication, right? You can also specify it and configure it. These are all basic features, you can do that. And then profile, please update your profile, that will be publicly shared. Your profile picture, your first name, middle name, last name, information about your current position, your corresponding website URL, your climb site, the date of birth, country, and etc., and share your profile. Okay, so now go and click on here, view profile. Now you have your examination, right? There is onboarding 2.0 examination. So now you want to verify it. So go and click on here, verify. So when you click on a verify, the system has to show all the checkbox that issued on 2019 by SAP Education. Your climb to Anipe Abraham, 13th of November, and it is verified. So it is a valid one. It is absolutely a valid one. So go and click on here, dashboard. Go and open now that examination. So now you have option called a share button, right? So when you click on a share button, you have so many options like it. Do you want to add to your profile? So please go and click on it. You want to share it to your LinkedIn or Facebook, or you want to get notified to your email? So enter your emails with separated by the commas and send it. And you want to share your link also somewhere. Sometimes in your website, you want to post somewhere at the bottom here, some kind of logo kind of thing. So you can take this URL and paste it there, and the system will allow you. Now some people are still having a lot of doubts that where I should download my certification, a soft copy from a UA climb. So you have that download button, right? Can you all see it? So when you click on it, you have the preview at the bottom, and look at that, the size of the what do you call, you have the maximum like this. You can expand and you can do it, or if you required, you can do it and download an image. But above all, you can see there is a print button, so where it allows you to download your soft copy of this examination to your personal computer. So go and click on here. Now what happened, the system is going to generate your template, and then you'll be able to see in PDF format. So now you can see that your badge is downloaded, or your hard copy, soft copy is also downloaded. Go and open it, and then you can see the exam, how it looks like, SAP Global Certification, and to whom it is being issued, and examination name, and from SAP Education, and the date. And then you can also see the URL at the bottom of this about this particular record of the examination. You can also click on it. So you can also, whenever you want to share it with your any company that they are looking for to submit your proof, and you can take this one and send your this copy attached to your email, or otherwise send the link of this your climb account, or otherwise you can directly send click on a dashboard, sorry. When you click on, not this one, click on a view profile, and you can see there is a button here, share my profile, and a link is copied and send it to your email, and you can do it. So I hope it is clear to everyone about how the SAP your climb account, how you need to use it, how the badges has to be, how the account has to be created, how the badges can be issued, and and again, even I told you about what we used to have before this badges concept. Like we used to have a consultants registry, and then SAP credentials manager, but that no longer exists in the system. It is no more. Now instead of that, SAP introduced the badges concept from 2017 January. So anyone who has done the certification from 17th of January 2017, then the badges can be issued. But if anyone who has done the certification successfully before 2017, so no badge can be issued. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you all got some clarity about SAP Global Certification badges, then how you need to go and get that. Thank you so much. So all again next time with the next topic. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.